Okay, so let me taste it. Let me see if these my grandma cookies. Let me see if these my grandma cookies.
Grandma used to make these.
Yeah, my grandma did. She was the bomb.com at cooking, but baking was absolutely amazing. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Look, they falling apart. They so soft and good. Say hey.
Hey.
So what we're about to do?
Make cookies.
Cookies. We gonna make us some peanut butter cookies, y'all. I've been feeding for some peanut butter cookies for weeks now.
Yeah,
and I'm feeding for my grandma, so I can't get my grandma, so I'm gonna go ahead.
And my grandma's too yours.
Yours too?
Yeah.
Okay, so she feeding for her grandma cookies, and I'm feeding for my grandma cookies.
My grandma at home, I need to at my home.
Okay, that's what we gotta do. So wait, first we gotta preheat our oven, right? To 350. Okay, so we got our peanut butter that Nora is currently messing in. So put the peanut butter in the bowl, Nora. Put the peanut butter in the bowl. Put it in there. No. Yeah, put it in there. No. It ain't gonna come out like that. Now put it out. There we go. Okay.
Put it on Daddy, Michael.
Yeah. Put it in there. Good job. We got our cup of peanut butter. Nora like peanut butter. You can have that spoon. Don't put it in here. Granulated sugar. A half a cup of sugar, y'all. Half a cup and a half a cup of brown sugar.
Mommy.
And then
Don't want.
butter. Softened butter.
I want to eat hot Takis.
Say what?
I want to eat hot Takis.
You rather eat hot Takis. So Nora, what we got? We got a cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of white sugar, and a half a cup of brown sugar, and one what is that?
Like
1 cup of softened butter. So now we're gonna blend this all together. Blend it up. We need flour. Flour, people. Okay, Nora, put the flour in. Good job. Thank you. Baking powder. We're going to do a teaspoon of baking powder.
Mommy, me.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Here, you want to put that in there?
No, can I do it?
Put it in there, Nora. Put it in there. You'll do the egg, Nora. Micah. Okay, so this is what it's looking like.
You need to this, Mommy.
Oh, we did do that. Y'all, I'm all over the place. Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
Yeah. Yeah, I so hope this will turn out right.
Yeah, I know my too.
Okay, here. Okay, just a little, Nora. Just a little. Just a little.
This for me. Hey, let me do that one.
All right, good job. Now, Micah, you go get the egg. Micah, put the egg in there.
Put it.
Pour the egg.
I want to bring it.
Okay, pour the egg first. Thank you. we got our peanut butter. I don't know why it looks so creamy. But we gonna blend everything together. I got my aluminum foil pan. So now we gotta put them in balls, Nora. She over here eating the spoons off the thing. Wasn't that the best thing, y'all? After your parent, my grandma, for instance, after she got finished, everybody wanted these things or the little forks, not the forks, the spoons. Anyhow. Okay, so we gonna get a ball. And look, I want you to roll it in your hands, okay? You gonna roll it, roll it, roll it. I'ma do it. I'ma give you and you roll it in a ball, okay?
I want to do this.
Yeah, roll in a ball. Here.
I do this.
Yeah. Roll in a ball.
Okay, cool.
Roll in a ball. Roll, roll, roll. Roll in a ball. Then put the ball down. Yep. Just put a ball in a ball, Nora.
Slime.
It's not slime. No, it's not slime. So I remember my grandma used to get a cup of water and a fork. Yes.
And my grandma's one is good. And
Cup of water and a fork. And she did these lines in the cookies. Huh? So you see what I'm doing right there? Yeah. So I want you to do it. Let mommy do this one. Let mommy do this one. Okay, now you do this one. Let's scoot these over. Now put in the water.
I like water.
Oh, you like water? Now do this one. Put a little. There you go. No, you're doing too much. Let's try another one. Let's do this one. Don't push it all the way. Just barely. There we go. Good job. Okay. Get some more water. Huh? Let's remove that one. You do it yourself? Alright. Good job. Alright. Get some more water. Do that one. Do another one. Okay. You gotta do that one. Okay. Now put it in the oven between 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna do 8. We're gonna start with 8, okay? Alright. Wait. Be hot. Be careful.
Be careful. Okay, Mama got some.
And you got one. Okay, you get the other side. You got it? Alright, you ready?
Ready?
Okay. Go. Alright, good job. Good job. Now get back. Back. Hot. Okay. Okay, y'all, so we finished with the cookies. I ran up, put an additional minute. I started at 8, so technically we did 12 minutes, and they've been cooling off. The kids that took a bath, I done did Nora hair and everything. But that's our cookies, y'all. Okay, who gonna taste one first?
Me.
Okay, let's get one. Oh, they soft.
Yeah.
Huh, Nora? So let's taste. Let's taste them.
It's pretty good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You like it, Nora? They good? Pretty good? Okay. Okay, so let me taste it. Let me see if these my grandma cookies. Let me see if these my grandma cookies.
Mama used to make these.
Yeah, my grandma did. She was the bomb.com at cooking, but baking was absolutely amazing. Yeah. Look, they falling apart. They so soft and good. We did good, y'all.
Yeah, we did.
These are good. Oh, these are good. Y'all know, next time, I'm gonna put some pecans in it. On top. Oh, this is good. That's good. Good and moist and everything. Nora, come on, baby. We need to go to TT house and see how she likes it. What do you think, Nora? Michael? So what you give it?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10? I'll take it. Nora? We finna go let Ashley and the twins taste it and see what they say. They look like grandma cookies. I got one for everybody. Come on, try my cookies out. Janae, you too. Get a cookie. Get a cookie.
I'm gonna get a little piece.
Okay, get a cookie.
Oh, and they soft. It just fell apart.
Girl, I know. Get it. Go ahead.
It just fell apart.
You like that? Go ahead.
Wait a minute.
Come on, let's taste it. Let's see. Mario, you gonna come taste my cookies? What you think? Cause you the baker.
This is good.
Isn't it?
It is. It's good.
Isn't it? Come on, Randy. What it tastes like? What is it?
Taste the peanut butter.
Really? You can do
It tastes like
It's good, ain't it? I was like, God dang, y'all see what I did?
Yeah.
I mean, they moist and everything.
It's a
And
soft
I've been letting them sit to cool off and stuff, and they still ain't got hard enough.
Right, and they stand together.
I did good my first time.
You got the little lines in them.
I know.
Look at you.
She walked them down good.
Listen. Come on, Mario. Oh, he already. Oh, this the worst critic right here.
But he made sure he got his milk.
Oh, he got his milk.
He was participating on it being good. Please don't fail him.
What's the verdict?
Sorry, it's all right. I know it.
Ah!
You have to give people their credit when stuff be good.
Whatever, Mario. Okay, so the cookies was a what? Thumbs up? Thumbs up, Nora?
I never tasted this stuff.
Well, boo on you. But the cookies was a thumbs up. Ashley approved. Michael approved. He trying to eat one again. That we finally got us a recipe. Well, not finally, but we got us a recipe for peanut butter cookies. It's time to go night-night. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell somebody about me. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.